In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate between screens in Glide. To start, head over to the Layout tab in your Glide app. Here, you will be able to see all the screens you have created. For example, in my app, I have a home screen on the left-hand side, followed by an items screen and a Contact Us screen. To help users navigate between these screens, it is important to understand the screen section on the left-hand side. Any screen added to the navigation section will appear at the bottom of the user's screen, making it easy for them to switch between screens. Screens added to the menu section will appear when users click the menu icon at the top left corner. For instance, if you want users to navigate through the bottom menu, you can add the relevant screens there, and they can access any of them with a single tap. Similarly, screens added to the menu section will require users to open the menu from the top left corner before selecting the desired screen. Beyond these two methods, a third and very important way to navigate is through buttons. To create a navigation button, click the plus icon in the Components section on the left side of your screen. Search for the button component and drag it onto your screen. Once the button is selected, scroll down to the right-hand side menu and find the Action section first. Set a title for the button. For example, I will create a button titled Go to Items to direct users to the Items screen. From the Action drop-down menu, select Go to Tab and then choose the tab corresponding to the desired screen. Now, whenever a user clicks this button, they will be directed to that specific page. You can also create buttons to navigate back to the home screen or to other pages. For example, on the Items screen, I created a Go Back button, which uses the same Go to Tab action and directs users back to the home screen. Similarly, I added another button to navigate to the Contact Us page, following the same process. Set the title, select the action Go to Tab, and choose the Target tab. On the Contact Us screen, I added a button to return users to the home page, completing the navigation flow. By combining the navigation menu, menu section, and buttons, users can smoothly move between screens in your Glide app, and this is how you can navigate between screens in Glide.